Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the YS3M UV coated or magic clouds. Yeah, my old tornado, my second tornado, it's almost broke. The core, I think it's ripping. So yeah, I don't know what to do about that. I mean, like I said in an older video, I could super glue it, but yeah, I took the YS3M and I bought it, and yeah, let's do an unboxing. Okay, you can do. Okay, the accessories and the cube. I know the box, it's kind of weird, but it's not that hard to open. I mean, you just have to try a bit. Let's put it here. Let's see what's the accessories. I think, yeah, normal things. Oh, sorry. Yeah, normal things. Okay. Let's put it all back. I'm sorry for the shaky camera. And here is the cube where I put the blade. Okay, here. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh my god. Yo. This glossy plastic, it's so cool. Oh my god, I like it. Oh my god, and the sandiness. Kind of fast, to be honest. So I might have to lube it a bit. But then it's good. It's so good, actually. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, it's good. It's really good, actually. Yeah, so I'm going to set it up and see you after that. After lubing it and playing with it a bit, it's better, and I think I broke it in a bit. Comparing it to the Tornado V3, it's a bit smaller and even smaller than the Super. The Tornado V3 has a better feel, but the YS3M has a better performance. It's not as blocky as the Super, but yeah, I think it's my new main, and I'm gonna do some solves with it and show you the results. So I finished the session of cubing. I think it was an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, and I did 995 average of 5, which is really good for me. I average 11 to 12 seconds on 3x3, and yeah, I did a couple 8s, which are really good too. And yeah, this cube is very very good. See you next time with another video. Goodbye. Oh yeah, this is my new main.